Okay, so to install decorators, we need to go to our to the Mobx official documentation for decorators and follow some of these instructions here. Um, Now, in my example, I'm using yarn, but you can use npm. This will work absolutely fine. Yarn and Babel preset Mobx. And in this way, we are able to use decorators and decorating our variables in JavaScript. Now, we don't have the Babel RC, but we have a config file. How are the pages? We have the Babel presets in here. So what we want to do is to add Mobx. We actually want to add these two. That is what we want. And to do this, we need to install Babel plugin decorator legacy and a few more plugins. And right. Great. We need to add presets. And this will go right inside our application. And every time I did it before, it complained about the application. So we need to cancel and start again. Now we wait. Right. And I couldn't find this because we need to add this. And this is a preset. So we would need to do yarn add yes 2015. These are favorite presents. It's really it's very right. So this is what we need to run. Babel is a transpiler and it will transpile our configuration when we use decorators, and some of this plugin is required for Mobx and some of the plugins are just for the Babel transpiler itself. Decorators legacy and this is 2015. And the stage 1, 2. This was Babel, one is Babel, retrieve. That is very unfortunate. Okay, let's see. We couldn't download this because of the error network. Network error. Okay, and right, so it's we couldn't find it. 2015. There was I had a few spaces in the end, and that was the mistake. Young start. And we're good. Now we can use decorators in our code. And to do this, uh, we want to use two things. One is to make a component observer. The next thing is to inject our store in our component. Now, of course, we should be able to, we need to do it only in one place. So we'll remove this and this and save it. And this should have exactly the same effect on the component as it had before. Property name of undefined. I'm not sure if there is a specific sequence. Sort of undefined, we have a bug, and that is because, so let me just to prove that we're right. Now we're trying to debug what we've done. And we can do this name equals hello. And this name will be used in here. Yes, and now you can see that we're doing hello twice. So this will be now what that means is every time we add a variable to this to the observable name, it will re-render component exactly the same as it would do it before. Now that means that we don't need to use this state anymore, but we can use observable variables inside our component, and it's absolutely safe, and it gives almost the same functionality as it would do with store, unless you want these variables to be available in other components and listen to and be reactive to its changes. Observable name, it doesn't render it in the first time, but what we are going to do now is create a random number multiply 1,000. We'll add it in the end. Number. Not every time we click this, it should be changing, but it doesn't. It is because observer not observable.